In this video, we will guide you through how to render and save an image in Blender. First, go over to the right and click on the render icon. And from here, on the render engine, just click on the drop down and select EV if you want the fastest render, or switch if needed based on your project. Now just click on the drop down for sampling like so, and you will see samples. Increase the sample. This will make your render clearer and reduce noise. Now just toggle on camera by clicking on the camera icon like so, so you can see how your render looks. Now just press N on your keyboard and just go to view tab and make sure camera view is toggled on so you can adjust your shot easily. You can now move around and rotate. Just you can even zoom in and out now like so, and let's say I want to render this much, so I'll just resize it, and you can even move your images like so. Once everything looks good, go to the top left and click on render. Click on render image and just wait for the render result to load. After that, just click on image and just click on save as. Choose your file location. Let's say I want to save it in pictures and give it a name. I will just give it GuideRealm and just click on save as an image. And that's it. Your image is now rendered and saved in Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.